Perhaps it gets its name from the blue cast that can sometimes be seen right along the water surface, the way the sun's rays strike it at a certain angle. But not to worry, folks, our good skipper Brian is turning this boat all the way around so everybody can get a beautiful picture of blue denim. So those at the front can get a picture, and also he'll turn around at the back.
Anybody on board from Ontario, by any chance? Hey, Ontario! Well, if you're feeling a little homesick, my friends, this is our version of Made of the Mist right here. 4 screech barrels. You want to give that a go in New Brunswick? We'll sign you up. Don't be worried.